Hi.
Hi. Hi, kids. My name's Nicole, and this is Let's Make Art, and I have with me... What's your name?
Jimmy.
Luna.
Oh, Luna.
Luna. And you are here to paint with us today, and we're so excited. You want to show us what we're doing? What? We're making all these cool art marks, all these cool different marks that we're gonna do. Ooh, and Luna can whistle. Do you want to show them? What? Okay, so let's get out our supplies because you're gonna paint along with us. So we are using, can we show my brush, Luna? We have a big brush that we're using. We're gonna use 2 different brushes. We have our watercolors. We're gonna be making some pretty different colors. So maybe have the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, some sort of that. And we're using something different.
Sticky pad.
Sticky pad.
Sticky pad.
It's called a Gelli Plate. So we're gonna be using this. So if you have this, go grab your box and grab that. Now, before we paint, did you touch it? We're gonna touch it in a second. Can we do our motto? So can we raise our right hand and repeat after me? I am brave.
I'm brave.
I am kind.
I'm kind.
And I am creative.
I'm creative.
Let's do this. Pound it. Boom! Okay, now, first step is I want you to grab your paint or your paper and you're gonna tape it down. This way it doesn't move. So Luna and I did that already, so go doing that and pause. Then, let's mix our colors. So Luna's favorite color is green. So we're gonna mix green. Do you know how to make green?
Yellow and blue.
Yeah! So do you want
Nailed
to
it.
put some on here? So we have blue or we have yellow and blue on here.
Why not we just put them together?
Let's do it. Do it. Show them. So you're going to grab your watercolors and you're put some blue.
2.
Nice.
Nice control.
2.
Ooh, let's see what we get.
We have to mix. Well,
Yes!
Yes.
Oh, that's a pretty one. Okay, can I show you a trick? So I want to make this a little bit more yellowy green. So I'm going to take some of this.
Like grass.
Yes. Can you add some yellow here? Squeeze it out. Yeah. We made
Oh.
another color. You want to add more there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa!
Now
We have lots of that color. So I think we're gonna make a little bit more because do you see how on here there's lots of different, there's some light green, there's some different different colors. So let's mix and make a few more. So this is what I want you to do on your palette is I want you to mix a few different color greens. So you're gonna add more different colors. Let's add some, and we have some blue here.
let's have some food.
Okay, let's mix them here. What happens? Whoa! Whoa!
Let's make some down.
Let's do it.
Perfect.
Okay, so grab,
Let's put them at the same time.
keep mixing. We actually need a lot of paint, so that'll be good. Okay. What? Lou, you're a magician. You're making so many colors.
A mixagician.
Mixagician. Okay.
We need purple.
Oh, okay. So if you want to make, I'm glad you said that. So if you want to make a navy or a purple, you're going to mix these 2.
And
So let's put it right here on the side. So if you mix magenta and blue, what are we gonna get? Let's mix it together. Boom!
Beautiful
can I put a
color.
little bit of yellow?
So if we put yellow, it'll make a little bit of brown. Do you want that?
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. Let's do it. Let's see what we get. Oh, you made black!
Whoa.
Yay.
Oh, you made a navy. Let's keep
Ooh,
that.
That's nice. Keep that
I want
one.
to keep all these colors. Love it.
Now let's just do purple.
Let's do purple. Okay, yeah, because I want to have some purple. So you've mixed both of those. Okay. Boom. Now we have all our colors. Let's paint. Okay, so grab a big brush that you have, and then you have water right here next to you, and you're going to dip in and pick any color that you want. And we're going to paint the whole thing. So you can make many different colors. She's going to paint the whole background. Whoa. And then maybe if you want some yellow, you add some, whoa. So I just want you to paint the whole background. Good job, Lou. So all the colors that you mixed, you can mix them all together. That's the fun thing of watercolors, is you can have so many different colors.
You can mix them too.
Yeah. If you mix them on the paper, you'll get so many different colors. And so when you're doing this, maybe pick the lighter colors that you have, because we're going to add darker colors on top. So keep going. You're
This
doing
green
awesome.
makes me think of a lily pad on a pond.
Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, you got some of that color.
Whoa.
Mix it all in. So cool.
I don't know what's
So yours is gonna look different than ours. You can add any color that you like.
my favorite one is this one.
That green?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I'll mix a little bit more for you. Yeah, keep going. So you're gonna paint the whole paper. Good job, Lou.
I'm gonna do
The darker color? Okay. Whoa. Mix it all in.
That is some pretty paint.
Good job, Lou. So you'll see she grabs a little bit of water. So if yours dries out, you can always get water and it helps smooth it out. So pretty.
That looks like the cloud when I do this.
It looks what?
Like a cloud.
It does, a cloud.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Okay. Do you want to add more? Or are you done? Ready for the next step?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the sticky pad. So what you need to do is I want you to wait a little bit. We're gonna pause for maybe 5 minutes and you're gonna let it dry, and that will help with our next step. So let's take a quick snack break and then we'll meet you back. Okay, we're back. So ours dried, so make sure yours is dry. And then I want you to go grab your jelly plate. We got ours ready.
Sticky.
Jelly sticky plate. Okay, let's open it up. Guess what we're gonna do? Pull it out.
Yay.
Yes.
Yay.
And then we're gonna put the cap back on the case, the lid. And then we're gonna grab our jelly plate, put it on top. See how it sticks? What?
I can.
Yes, that's what we're gonna do.
Whoa.
Okay, so guess what? We're gonna paint this and then it's gonna make these marks.
Okay.
Okay, let's do this. So let's grab our brushes again.
I'm gonna do a small one.
Okay, let's do that. So pick any of your colors. It might help to go a darker color, or we can try. But pick a color and you're gonna paint on here, on the circle part.
Huh.
Whoa, doesn't that look cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, then guess what? Oh, watch. Once you do that, can you pick up your jelly plate with me? Pick it up. Ready? Turn it over and then go like this. Push, push, and then lift up. Whoa, keep going. So do you see how all those marks are all gone?
Wow.
So let's do more. Let's paint more on
I'm
top.
gonna do this.
Yeah, do darker color. So the darker color might help show up a little bit more. But you can do
So a
any
lighter paper maybe, and then a darker stamp. That'll really show those
Well, let's see what it looks like.
custom.
Ready? Turn it over. Push. Whoa!
Boom.
It's just gonna have fun. You're gonna keep making these marks. Now, if you want to mix more colors, maybe we'll make some blue.
Ooh.
Ooh, let's make another
that's gonna be
purple for
pretty.
you. Oh,
And then
squish. Whoa! So everyone's gonna look so different. So we're making some art marks on our paper.
I love these art marks.
Boom! It's so fun because you don't know what it's gonna look like.
Never. You never know.
You never know. So we're gonna do a darker green.
Art mark. And it's fun to say, like aardvark. Art mark. Art mark the aardvark.
Oh, you made a song.
Maybe.
Whoa! Good job,
maybe-
Lou.
Oh. Artmark is our friend, the aardvark.
What's this?
I don't know what that is.
That's a graphite pencil.
We're gonna keep going. Let's keep mixing colors. Let's see what happens.
Ooh, that's a pretty color, Lou.
So you're gonna fill your page and you're gonna have fun.
Why don't we just take that off then smush it?
Because then our hands might get a little dirty. This is just to help us. And it's a little easier, right?
Because your hands are clean.
This one is a big brush.
Do a big brush.
So when we do this,
Ooh, that's a good one, Lou.
it's fun to see all the different patterns. So Lou has some different patterns than I have. What? Yes.
And you can put them anywhere on the paper. All
Yes.
4 corners, all 4 middles,
Or tape.
or the tape.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the corner. You can do different colors. So do you see how I'm layering it on top? So some might be really dark, some might be really light.
Whoosh.
And this is such a fun project that if you want to do more, maybe you go and grab some friends or maybe your grown-ups to do it with you.
Yes.
Right? Wouldn't this be fun to do with your friends? Yeah.
This would be good artwork for maybe you started a band recently and you could make the artwork for your album. You could be called the Aardvark Artmark Team.
Coming in with ideas. Boom. More of your favorite color?
Done.
Boom. Okay.
Nice.
Last step.
What?
Tape removal. Let's take off the tape. So we're going to take off our tape and reveal the magic.
Peel and reveal.
Sticky.
Good job. Oh, that's okay. Sometimes it happens. Just make some cool marks. We got more marks. You want to do the middle one?
Yeah.
Okay, got you started. Do it. Do it.
Do it, do it, do
Woohoo!
it. Nice.
Then, guess what?
What?
We can fold this later, maybe when it's a little dry, or do you want to do it now? We can fold it and it becomes a card.
Oh,
So you can make one for maybe your sister or your mom.
happy
So if we fold it in half?
birthday from Artmark the Aardvark.
Yeah. Now we got a cool card.
Nice.
Isn't that pretty?
We can write something in it.
You want to write something? We have some pens. You can write something. Do you want a pen? Okay. Well, that is what you can do. You can go and you can write this. There's so many different things. Then what I want you to do while Lou's doing that is I want you to go get more paper and make more.
Okay.
Who you want to make it for?
Mom.
Your mom? Okay, so write M-O.
I'm curling that out.
Ah, very creative. I love that.
Fun.
So we would love for you to go do this. We also want to see all your paintings that you make. So we have a Facebook group called Let's Make Art Kids Projects. Ask a grown-up to take a picture, show us what you make, who you're making the card for. And we had so much fun. Oh, you're so creative. That's awesome. Thank you for painting with us. Always remember that you are brave, kind, and so creative. And we'll see you next time. Can we say bye to our friends?
Bye.
Bye.